Good. Now, just to sort of roll that out, because I do think for you, more dynamic work is going to be helpful. The next thing is just to do this.
Okay.
Just windshield wipers. Don't make a big deal out of it. It's just oiling the joints.
Okay.
So let me see you try that. Great. All right. I got one more for you, although I'm trying to figure out where the heck I'm going to show this to you because I need a doorway and the camera doesn't have a doorway. You want to follow us with that thing? All right. So the goal here is to stretch this, right?
Okay.
These lats. And so the way that we can do that is basically we're going to face a doorway. You're going to bring one arm around and you're going to basically try to do like a curve in the spine. So you don't want to flat back this. You want to, and you're going to feel that right there. And you're basically just hanging off the doorway. This is a really good lat stretch.
Okay.
So,
and you're coming at an angle.
Yep. Now this is the funky shoulder. So you can reach as, it doesn't matter how high up you go.
Okay.
And it doesn't matter, this is gonna be good for your shoulder too, but I want you to press the abs up through here. There, feel that? Press into there. So this is what you're trying to stretch here. You might get this too.
Yep.
But the more you push the abs up into this space, the more that these ribs get to flare with the breath as you're breathing in and out.
Definitely feel that, yep.
And then the breath is what's causing the pin and stretch. And if you need to do a little knee bend, go for it. The goal is to try to cow.
Really pulling in there, yeah.
And great. So a little of that goes a long way, especially for that shoulder, honestly. And then yes, exactly. You would switch sides to do the other side. So you're going to grab sort of through here almost. I don't know if you can do that. Or yeah. And push that up into there, bend your knees, and there. Try to think of curving into here. There. Breathe back here. These are ribs. All right, good job. Like, I am, damn it.
I'm gonna have bruises a bit in my abs, I can tell.
All right, so what did you notice out of all of that? That was quite the quite the journey there.
Well, I really did notice the opening up of the mid to lower back, you know, between the between mid and top of the pelvis, you know, and I feel like I'm breathing a little easier.
Good, yeah.
And just now when I was putting my shoes on, just reach down.
Yeah.
I was having a little bit of trouble, you know, like it was hurting in my middle here.
Yeah.
To bend down far enough. I was like, am I really that fat?
No.
No. It's just that this apparently wasn't wanting to let me bend over.
Well, you were basically back bending the whole time.
Right. So it's like, you know.
And so now you've got the ability to both fold into your hip sockets, but also curl into the mid back.
Yeah.
Which it should make getting your shoes on and off.
Right away.
Nice.
You know, that's like a big, big difference.
And that's one of those things that it's like people are like, oh, I want to run marathons. And it's like, yeah, but also can we make sure that like shaving and getting your shoes on and, you know, standing and sitting and all the basic functions of putting a shirt on, right? I have clients that have like really severe bursitis in the shoulder.
Yeah.
And it's like, they're not like, can I go to the gym and lift weights? They're like, can I put my shirt on without pain?
Yeah,
When we get them there, they're like, oh my God. Start crying,
my shoulder had been so frozen that like I would use the end of my cane to push my jacket off so that I could get it because I couldn't get it off.
Right.
You know.
Right.
Once getting it on was hard enough, but then it like actually pulling the thing off, you know,
Yeah.
I'd have help to get the to get it off of my shoulder. Yeah.
What I find intriguing about that is the idea that like there must be like an emotional layer to playing on stage for you that allows you to bypass a lot of this. And the muscle memory of all that. It's not like you're not, you know, you're just floating on stage with no pain or no restriction.
Oh,
but
yeah. No, there are filters,
like,
there's compartmentalization.
Yeah,
there's,
exactly.
You know,
and
all
it's
of
like,
that.
I was remembering meeting this kung fu master up in Canada, like, I don't know, 2 decades ago or something. And he talked about the fact that he never ever stretched. Like, he just didn't believe in it. But he could easily kick his leg way over his head. And he was just like, that's just muscle memory. Like, it's not, like, if I try to just stretch without the motion of kicking, then no, I can't even get it past here. But like, I've trained my brain to let go of the muscles and just go, hey-ya, you know, and he could easily, like, literally put his foot up here above his head and, like, you know, and so he's like, yeah, I don't stretch. Now, I do believe in stretching.